Alright guys, Will here from ZaltekReviews.com. Today I'm taking a look at what you might call the other end of the spectrum of micro brand watches. A bit more expensive than normal. I'll do like, I've already had the watch out of the box, right? But I put everything back in as it arrived. Just to let you see everything, that's because it's quite unique the way it's been packaged and presented. Anyway, play the intro. Right guys, so let's get into it then. Before I go into the price and the specs and everything else, as I said in the intro, I'll give you a quick unboxing. Right, obviously a wee welcome card type thing. You've got this packet. I'm not quite zoomed in it. I can't zoom it. Hold on. That's your booklet, warranty guff. I'm not going to show you all that because it's just paperwork. Who gives a shit about that? We want to see the watch. Right. It comes with no strap attached. But as you can see, it's friggin' beautiful. I love this thing. I've been wearing this quite a lot actually, but I put my own strap on because I knew I was going to do an unboxing and a review and all the rest of it. So I just put my, as I say, I put my own strap on. Strap on? Ho ho ho! Ladies. Right, anyway. Let's see what's in this again. Oh, aye! Oh, I need a bigger desk. Get rid of that. In this, you get like a watch pod type carry thing doofer. It's really nice. You could actually choose the colour of these as well. What's the colourways of this again? The travel case. Light brown, dark brown, black, blue or green. Obviously you want to pick the same one because you can choose the strap colour options. I might as well tell you that as well. You can choose light brown, dark brown, black, blue or green. So obviously you'd want it to match. I've got the black one here. Safe bet. It's nice. Nice wee travel doofer. So that's that. Aye. Nice. What's this? Aye. Fuck's sake. Where's the strap? Get out. There we go. Right, put all that to the side. And obviously I think the strap that they gave me was a black one. Put that there. Right. It's a really nice strap by the way, and it's specific. It's not just got like the correct lug width. No, this is made for the watch. As you can see there, it's stepped, so it's like fully fitted, like a proper fitted strap for the watch, and the leather is really nice, I've got to say. Aye. I'll put up a screenshot just now with the strap that I had. Hang on. Shut up! I'm recording! I'm recording! Shut up! Fucking family. Who needs them? Fucking noisy bastards. Right, aye, that's the strap. Oh, I suppose I better actually stop recording. It's my birthday today, so no doubt they're here to see me. Bastards. Right, I'll pause it there now and I'll come back and go through the price and the specs and more details about the watch. Back soon. Alright guys, I'm back. That was good. I was kind of outnumbered there. Right, aye, where was I then? The Straum Opphav. Price of this, €829, so quite expensive. But it's Swiss made, Swiss movement, blah blah blah. Fully automatic, and it's very unique, as I'll get into as we go through. First up, the dimensions. All my own measurements as per usual. Case diameter 41.1mm. Total thickness of 11.3mm. Lug to lug of 46.4mm, and it has a 22mm lug width. The movement inside it is the Seiko SW200-1. Runs at 28,800 vibrations an hour, 26 joules, hackable, self-winding with a 38-hour power reserve. The case itself is a mixture of brushing and polishing, 316L stainless steel obviously, and I have to say that the finish on this, see before I got into that, see this watch, oh I still got the sticker on, take that off. This watch, it's phenomenal, it really is, and obviously it's their first release and I think it's fantastic. My only issue with it is the price, which you can obviously, but is it worth it? It is, but as a first model from a brand, I don't know, I'm in two minds about it. It's the price. The only stickling point I've got is the price. Right, where was I? Aye, brushing and polishing all over the place. The quality of the finish is fantastic. It really is. Super fine brushing. Really good polishing. There's the fucking ice cream van. I need to go out and punch him in the throat. Dick! Yeah. Thank the fuck for that. Right. Aye. Superb. Fixed bezel. Brushed on top. Nice chamfered, polished edge all the way around. Then brushing again. Then more brushing on the top of the case. Then you've got polished chamfered edge running along the top there that runs across the top of the lugs as well. I've got that light on. I have. It's not very bright, is it? Now, it's, I don't know, I'm lost for words, man. I love this watch. I really do. The only other thing that I don't like is, see on this white version, when you look at it head on, it's white, but if you look at it at an angle, it might not come across on camera, but in real life it does. It looks silver, and that kind of annoys me, because I like a white dial. It'll be a white dial. You know what I'm like with white dials. I love them, man, but it kind of goes like a silvery grey colour. But anyway, I'm kind of nitpicking because the watch is fantastic. I mean, that dial, stunning. Talking of the dial, it's a custom 3D pattern. It's supposed to replicate like the seabed type effect, you know, kind of ripples and various aspects. It's fantastic. See, when you see it in person, it's Really nice, I've got to say. Where was I? The colour options that you'll get is you get a black one, a blue, a green or a white. I'll put pictures up. Obviously I'll let you see the different colourways. Obviously the white was my first choice. It's not even running. Oh, I'll sort that out in a minute. The lume on this, now, I mean, what would you call it, this watch? See how you can see a sort of silvery grey? It's a fucking van again. I'm just going to talk over the top of it. Aye, the lume on this, what would you, I'd call this a kind of dress watch, to be honest with you. You know, it's got kind of sporty vibes. I would still class it as a dress watch, but as I say, sporty-ish. You could actually get away with this every day, couldn't you? An everyday piece. It's covering a lot of bases. Where was I? Fuck's sake. Aye, BGW9 lume. I've not took any fancy B-roll or anything. I'll do the B-roll after I've done the video. I'll put it in. There is a bracelet option, but it's pre-order only. It's fully integrated, much like the strap. But that's not available until early 2023. And it's also, which is another sore point, it's a €329 option. Actually taking it over £1,000. See, that's my only problem with this. Is the price. Now, the strap, as I say, it's custom fit, right? So, it's made, you've got that wee flare bit out there, so it matches like the edge of the lug. It's really nice. The strap, the quality of the strap is fantastic. It's nice and soft, and it's really, it's full grain vegetable tan leather. This won't take any breaking in or anything like that. And the buckle's nice. I've not took the plastic off, and I'm going to try and take it off with my gloves on. But it's really nice. Nice chamfered edge there along that front bit. Fully milled, signed. It's a good piece of hardware that you've got there. Let's leave that there now. I went through all the different colour options. The travel case. The crystals, double dome sapphire, and it has 5 layers of clear AR coating. And it does a good job. You can tell, you know, when you hit it towards that light there, and that light, it's got like 1,000 lumens, it's bright as fuck. Aye, plenty of AR coating. Very happy with that. It's got 100 metres of water resistance, which is good. The case back. Now, this case back is press on. And the reason for that is so it lines up perfectly. It's no, if it was a screw down or anything like that, you know, this isn't going to line up. It's not going to be perfectly horizontal. It's going to be wherever the thread ends. But you've got 2 pieces of sapphire on here as well. Obviously one at the top, one at the bottom. And this, what do they call this again? Where is it? It's just got a 3D motif. And see, when I first seen pictures of that, before I got the watch, I thought it was more risen up from the actual case back surround itself. But that's not true. It's flat. Totally flat. So, I suppose that's why it's nice and slim at 11.3mm. Right, very nice. The crown is push-pull, which you'd expect, and it's signed as well, as you can see there with their logo. Yeah, it's available by now. They're in stock. Get them directly from Straum watches, and it has a 2-year warranty. It's all good. I showed you a wrist shot earlier on. It wears perfectly on wrist, nice and flat. Conforms to the wrist perfectly. I'm not going to take a wrist shot now. As I say, I've not done any B-roll or anything, but I'll do the loom shot and all that to let you see it, and the loom is good, surprisingly. Quick wrist check. This just come in today. The Formex Field. I love Formex watches. I'm not too keen on this colourway, but I do like it, and that strap, I'm not kidding, it's phenomenal. The leather that they use, oh, it's proper soft as fuck. There's no other way to describe it. But I'm not reviewing that today, just let you see it. And I just threw it on wrist because it came in earlier, just a couple of hours ago. That's basically it. I do recommend this watch. If you're alright with the price, buy it. You won't be disappointed. Me personally, I wouldn't pay €829. And being a bracelet guy, I would want the bracelet. But adding on €329 to an already rather expensive watch, I think, no, I wouldn't part with my own money for it. Even although it is stunning. But, I mean, the movement, it's just a bog standard SW200-1. It's no like top grade. If it was like top grade, then aye, I would say aye, it's worth the money. But you're not just paying for that, you're paying for the uniqueness of this watch, and obviously the dial. And the dial is the star of the show, there's no question. It just helps that everything else is, you know, the build quality is really good and the finishing's outstanding. So aye, if you're alright with that price, well, definitely go for it, you'll not be disappointed. Right, I've waffled on long enough, guys. Well, please like, comment, subscribe, share the video, it all helps. I'll see you in the next video. Toodles.